Ice cream cones, a simple pleasure we all love, have a rich history that's as intriguing as it is delicious. From their accidental creation at the 1904 World's Fair to the wide variety we see today, ice cream cones have transformed the way we enjoy ice cream. So, how do they do it? The story of ice cream cones starts with a twist of fate at the 1904 World's Fair in St. Louis. Amidst the heat, an ice cream vendor ran out of dishes. In a moment of quick thinking, a nearby waffle seller rolled his waffles into cones, creating the perfect edible holder for ice cream. As time went on, the ice cream cone's popularity soared. From the original waffle cone, inventors crafted new varieties to enhance the ice cream eating experience. The sugar cone came next, offering a sweeter, crunchier alternative. Then, the cake cone was introduced, lighter and less sweet, perfect for those who wanted the ice cream to take center stage. Today, ice cream cones are more than just a way to serve ice cream. They're a key part of the experience, each bite reminding us of the cone's humble beginnings. At the core of every ice cream cone is a mix of simple, everyday ingredients. Flour gives the cone its structure, holding up the ice cream without falling apart. Sugar adds a touch of sweetness, making each bite a delight. Eggs bind everything together, ensuring the cone's texture is just right. And a bit of oil or butter keeps the cone crisp, adding that satisfying crunch we all love. The manufacturing process of ice cream cones starts with the batter. Making the perfect cone batter is straightforward. First, the flour, sugar, eggs, and oil are mixed until smooth. The trick is in the consistency. Too thick and the cones are doughy. Too thin and they'll break. Getting it just right is key. In factories, huge mixers blend these ingredients to create a smooth, consistent batter, ready for baking. Next, the batter is poured onto conveyor belts equipped with molds or griddles. These belts are precision engineered to cook the batter just right, turning it into thin, crispy sheets. Once the batter is ready, it's time to shape the cones. This is where skill comes into play. The batter is poured onto a hot surface, forming a thin, circular layer. Quickly, it's rolled into a cone shape while still warm and pliable. This step is crucial. Wait too long, and the cone will crack instead of curling smoothly. As these sheets move along, they're molded into the iconic cone shape. After shaping, the cones are cooled rapidly. This step locks in the cone's shape and gives it that crunch we all love. Once cool, the cones are checked for quality. Only the best make the cut, ensuring every cone is perfect. Once the ice cream cones are cooled and checked for quality, the next step is packaging. Each cone is carefully placed into protective packaging, designed to shield them from bumps and bruises during transport. Whether they're destined for the grocery store shelf or a big ice cream parlor, the packaging ensures they arrive in perfect condition. From the factory, these cones are sent out to all corners of the globe. Trucks, ships, and even planes carry them far and wide, making sure that wherever there's a craving for ice cream, cones are within reach. Temperature-controlled transport keeps them from getting too warm and losing their crunch. And once they arrive, they're stored in just the right conditions until they're ready to be filled with delicious ice cream. Ice cream cones come in more varieties than you might think. For those who love a bit of extra sweetness, dipped cones are a treat. These cones are coated in chocolate or another flavored coating, adding an extra layer of flavor to every bite. But it doesn't stop at dipped cones. There are cones with added textures and tastes, like those sprinkled with nuts or candy pieces. And for those looking for something a bit different, there are cones made from alternative grains, offering gluten-free or healthier options. Customization is key in the world of ice cream cones. Some cones are dyed with vibrant colors, turning them into a visual feast. Seasonal and themed cones make special occasions even more special. The beauty of ice cream cones lies in their versatility. Whether you prefer a classic cone, a chocolate-dipped delight, or something uniquely tailored to your taste, there's a cone out there for you. From their simple beginnings to becoming a key part of our ice cream enjoyment, cones have truly come a long way. They're a craft in their own right, Curious about more culinary wonders? To find out how Wagyu beef is made, click here.